Hello, welcome you all in this session. Myself, Assistant Professor Ripal Gupta from LJ School of Law. So today I have taken subject of legal theory, that is jurisprudence, and in which I am going to discuss the concept of law which is opined by the H.L.A. Hart. So H.L.A. Hart is a British philosopher and he is a jurisprudence professor in Oxford University. Basically, according to the concept of law, as H.L. Hart has opined, he said that law and morality and law and coercion have no relationship at all. And previously we have discussed the relationship between law and morality. But according to the H.L.A. Hart, he said law and morality and law and coercion are different from altogether. They have different application. You cannot relate law with morality, law with coercion. The three of them has different application when it's come to practical world. If you are relating them, then you are misunderstanding with the content, with the concept, and with the origin and with the application of this concept. So you cannot have a relationship between law and morality and law and coercion. When you apply them in practical world, they have the different applications. You cannot have the relationship with law and coercion orders or law and morality. They have different concept, originated different concept and different content. So this relationship is, say, according to him, he said that it mislead you to understand the concept of law. So according to him, what is law? According to him, law is which forbids individuals from doing something. Law provides guidelines and rules for the individual that they have to abide by it. When you see morality, this is not the case. You cannot abide by any one person through morality. So he said that law has power or have sanctioning power, that it forbids any person, you punish any person, you impose penalty to anyone, you impose fine to anyone. So here law has impact on society, impact on individuals, that they have to abide by the law, and it is a general aspect on every individual that they have to follow the law. And another aspect of law is it is made by the legislature. They can make new laws, they can repeal the laws, they can modify the laws, they can change the law and their application according to their needs. In the same way, judges may change the interpretation of law. So law is different from these. When it comes to the application of law, it is different from morality and coercion. It also criticized the concept of John Austin that has defined in the books of the Provisions of the Jurisprudence Determined, where he was in the favor of the concept of positivism, and that was criticized by H.L.A. Hart. According to him, according to the positive school of law, the sovereign who makes the law, the people have to follow it. He said sometimes even the laws made by the commanding power or the sovereign, they have to follow law, not the mere individuals. Sometimes they have to make law for themselves. On the other hand, the coercive orders does not always make you orders or give you orders. Sometimes it gives you powers and privilege too. So you cannot have this straightaway relation between coercive, and you cannot say that only sovereign can make the laws. So he said that law has different application, and it comes into application, it has different impact. So basically, according to him, there are two types of obligation: primary obligation, secondary obligation. In primary obligation, it says that laws impose duties and obligation on the individual, that they have to follow the laws. So according to his primary obligation, he says that law basically impose duties and obligation on person. It forbids the individual by doing something, it guides them by making rules and regulation. It is the primary regulation. And in secondary regulation, it talks about three things: rule recognitions, rule of change, and rule of adjudication. So here in secondary obligations, is talk about that by applying these duties and obligation by primary obligation, you have the second phase in your hand, where you can change the rule, where you can adjudicate the matters, where you can have a recognition of certain laws. So it is the secondary legal system. which supports the primary system. So he said for having a secondary system in efficient manner, you should have a primary system in very well manner, that what are the duties and obligations of society should be very clear and clear. If they are uncertain, you cannot have efficient legal system. So he said your secondary obligation are depending on the primary obligations. It is the duties and obligation of society. If they are clear, then the second obligation, that is the law of recognition, rule of change and rule of adjudication, will work automatically. So coming to HLA Hart, there are two things, primary and secondary obligation. Primary includes the basic thing that individual has some duties and obligation on their part that they have to follow, and second says talks about the rule of recognition, rule of adjudication and rule of change, which where the rule may be changed or may be adjudicated in proper manner and they may recognize the law. So this is about the concept of law. Afterwards, he also distinguished between the external and internal point of view, that according to external point of view, the observer does not have necessary to look into the legal system. What is the legal system? In internal point of view, he says that in internal point of view, you have to see what is legal system. So when as I'm observer of external legal system, I need not need to see what is the internal legal system is following by the people, but I have to see what is the external force that are binding by the people that they are following certain law. So I only see the external part of the legal system, what I'll just observe how the people are following law, and in internal system I have to see which system are they following. So there are two things which affects the legal system or the law, that is external and internal. In external, he will evaluate the rules, he will evaluate the system, he will not see which system, but what is the system, it will evaluate by the internal mechanism. So there is the concept of HLA Hart's on law, that he majorly defined three things, that law and morality are different, law and coercion are different, they don't have any kind of relationship between them. And after that he said that there are two obligation, primary and secondary. In primary, it creates obligation and duties on the individual, it forbids them from doing something. In secondary obligation, it talks about three things, rule of recognition, rule of change and rule of adjudication. But he said that if you are following primary, then you secondary automatically will have efficient perform in an efficient manner. So there is a concept of law according to the HLA Hart. Thank you.